Game concept, Rogue Dino Runner. Rogue Dino Runner is directly inspired by the universally recognized and beloved offline Dino game found in the Chrome browser. We are building upon that simple, addictive foundation by adding unique mechanics and twists to create a compelling new experience. This game is inspired by the classic Chrome offline Dino game that everyone knows. But instead of making a simple copy, we're taking the familiar idea and expanding it with new mechanics. Rogue Dino Runner keeps the original charm, fast, simple, and addictive, but introduces features that make the experience deeper and more strategic. Core gameplay. The base of the game is an endless side-scrolling runner where the goal is to avoid obstacles and keep the score increasing over time. The main gameplay is still an endless side-scrolling runner. The goal is to survive as long as possible while dodging obstacles. Your score increases the farther you go, just like the original. This foundation gives players something instantly recognizable and easy to understand.
Main twist, strategic movement. The most significant twist, the key strategic layer, is that the player can move forward and backward. This simple change adds a layer of strategy for spacing and timing. That is the absent in the original, forcing players to think beyond simple jumping. The biggest twist in Rogue Dino Runner is the ability to move both forward and backward. This sounds simple, but it adds a whole new layer of strategy. Instead of only reacting by jumping, players need to think about spacing, timing, and positioning. These mechanics these mechanics makes the game more dynamic and gives players more control over how they handle obstacles. Additional features. To further enhance the experience, Rogue Dino Runner will feature unique obstacle, power-ups, or hazards to vary the gameplay. Dynamic speed changes to keep players on their toes. To keep the experience, we're adding several new elements. There will be a unique obstacle to challenge the player in different ways. Power-ups will appear to shake up the gameplay and offer risk-reward decisions. We also plan to include dynamic speed and hazard to change constantly the game into a feeling of fresh and also intense.
Visual style. The game will be utilized in pixel art, aesthetic within a simple, clean environment mirroring the nostalgic and straightforward feel of its inspiration. The game will use a clean pixel art style to maintain the nostalgic charm of classic runner games. The simple visual approach keeps the focus on the gameplay will still give the gameplay a game personality and appeal. For its part, the takeaway. Rogue Dino Runner success because it feels familiar yet fresh. The extra control adds deep to the gameplay loop, making it a fast and highly replayable experience. Rogue Dino Runner is fun because it strikes a balance between familiar and new. People already know how to play a runner game, but the added movement, movement twice create a surprising amount of depth. It's, it's fast, easy to pick, and advantage, which make players want to try again and again.
To move the concept forward, our immediate next steps include adding enemy patterns, polishing the animations through playtesting and balancing, To bring the game to its full potential, our next steps include adding enemy patterns to increase variety, polishing animations to improve visual feel, and doing through playtesting and balancing. These steps will ensure the final game feels smooth, fair, and enjoyable.